Hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Modelworks. Here you're going to find curated kits, my unfiltered opinions, and yes, the occasional comedic blunder. Trust me on that one. If it's unique, rare, or just plain cool, it might turn up around here at some point, and I'm definitely going to build it. Eventually. Or at least I'm going to think really hard about it. So today I've got another edition of What Did You Buy Wednesday? And what do I have for today? Of course, the inspiration is from, damn it, man, Joe at Big Sky Model Works. I apologize. I know it's Big Sky Model Workshop, maybe. I'll have a correct tag in the description. And I apologize if I've gotten it wrong. I am not going to edit the video. And I'm not going to try again because this is like the fourth time already. So today I've got AMT Ford Courier Minivan. This is sealed in the plastic. Pretty cool little minivan there. And it says we can also build it the Beach Lil Van. I'm going to have to see if I can find some box art, see what that actually looks like before I decide which way I want to build this one. But again, that one's sealed. And both of these kits I got from a gentleman on Facebook, in one of the Facebook groups, doing a live auction. His name was Jerry Sandlin. If I remember correctly, he had come on some financial need and sold off a whole bunch of van kits. I got to the thing late because I was after a couple he had that I wanted real bad that he sold at really cheap prices. Jerry, if you see this, I haven't forgotten missing out on that six-wheeler van, bruh. And there was another one, and I don't remember what it was. Can't believe what he sold that six-wheeler van for. Anyway, this other one is the AMT 1977 Ford Fantasy van, and this one's out fairly new, the Fanta version, and I think I'm probably going to build it in the Fanta version. This also factory sealed, so thanks Jerry, I appreciate both of these. And I think that's really all I've got. Trying to make these videos a little shorter, trying to stay around 10 minutes. So, yeah, that's all I've got. Which brings me to my question for the day. Oh wow, that's not the right one, but the Courier you can build as a standard Courier little pickup truck. I may have to get one or two more of these kits. Being that they're both sealed, and the Courier has been out for a while, I'm going to have to get my glasses and look for a copyright date, so I'm not going to do that right now. This one we know, fairly new, I think this year maybe even. Again, factory sealed. Here's my question. In a lot of older kits, we buy them, we find them, tires are bagged, glass is bagged, all that fun stuff, because we all know about tire burn. And we all know about scuffed glass in the 60s and 70s kits where everything's just loose in the box. This is my question of the day. And my computer freaked out when my AC kicked on. Distracted me. Do we leave a modern kit sealed? Or do we still worry about tire burn and glass getting scuffed or clear scuffing? Do we open this up? Do we bag the tires, bag the glass, or clear? Make sure they're bagged so that they don't get damaged, don't do tire burn, that kind of thing? Or do we not have to worry about that in 10, 15, 20 years with modern kits, modern materials? I don't know. Do we trust that each one is bagged individually these days? I don't know. Drop your opinion in the comments for me. And I think eventually, just to be on the safe side, I'm going to start opening all these things and making sure they're bagged and protected so that I don't have issues when I'm 75 trying to build one of these kits. Oh my god. And even, dude, even if I built, if I stopped buying kits, built one a week, I think I'd still be building at least 65. Jesus. It's a sickness, I'm here to tell you. So, staying here, that's not bad. 6 minutes. That's all I've got. If you want more of my curated shenanigans, go ahead and like the video and hit that subscribe button. I'm still trying to get to 500. Do a little giveaway. I promise hitting those buttons aren't going to hurt. Just a little bit. Nothing you can't handle. And remember, folks, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. You never know what somebody is going through, so just be kind. I'll see you next time. Uncle Sweetie out.